In this video, I will show how to fix Google Chrome download failed network error. So, two methods you can try. First one, copy this downloading link and make sure internet is on and airplane mode is not connected. Then here open the new incognito window and paste the link and save it. So it will work. And another thing you can try, open settings, privacy and security, and here third party cookies. So allow third party cookies and try again, refresh. So this two method you can try to resolve this problem. Thanks for watching.